Your kitchen might be quietly increasing your cancer risk, and it's not the food you think. Here are 5 hidden everyday toxins most people overlook. I'm going to be sharing simple and safer swaps you can start today. So I learned about these years ago. And number 3 on the list really shocked me when I read the reports about the fumes measured right off a frying pan. So let's get into it. Number 1, you guessed it, nonstick cookware. These release toxins when heated over 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
They release a chemical called PFAS. I'm going to call them their nickname. They're called forever chemicals. These chemicals don't leave your body or the planet. They accumulate and damage your immune system. So let's make them never chemicals. Swap is going to be very simple. Don't buy them. So the simple swap is this.
Let's swap these out for safer options like seasoned cast iron pots or stainless steel pots. And I'm going to throw in a bonus tip here. Whenever you're washing your stainless steel pots, you can boil a little vinegar water to deep clean your new stainless steel pots and pans instead of using harsh chemicals. That was a bonus tip. Number 2, plastic containers and plastic bottles, water bottles.
We all use these. We need to stop. Heat and sunlight cause plastics to leak BPAs and BPS
into your drinks. And a mini test is if you smell plastic, it's already leaching. These leach compounds called BPA or BPS, which are also endocrine disruptors,
which have been linked to breast and prostate cancers.
Simple swap, glass or stainless steel containers. And by the way, my name is Dee Oye. I'm a registered pharmacist of almost 30 years. I currently help and teach people how to regain their health, wellness, and vitality by using herbs and food as medicine. And I use all things holistic and I focus on integrative approaches to health. Let's get back into the list. Number 3, reheated oils. Old oils oxidize into aldehydes when reused over and over and over again.
Each reuse of frying oil increases oxidation, producing aldehydes that damage your DNA. A lot of restaurants reuse oil all day long. Even at home, a lot of people reuse oil. Most people use it twice or even more than twice.
Simple swap, dump them out and use fresh, cold pressed olive oils or coconut oil. Number 4, processed meats and nitrites. So these are just bad for your health all around.
So cured meat like hot dog, bacon, deli, ham, etc., etc., etc. You know them all. These contain sodium nitrites that converts into nitrosamines, which are known carcinogens, especially when fried or even grilled.
Lots of reports show that these can increase your cancer risk. And the swap is very simple. Choose nitrite-free meats or plants and plant-based options. Number 5, last and certainly not the least. Okay, so this is going to be your fragrance sprays, your cleaners, your air fresheners, and things like that. All synthetic fragrance sprays and cleaners. These synthetic sprays have volatile compounds.
They're often petroleum-based. We call them VOCs, and they irritate the lung, and they give a lot of stress to your respiratory organ. And they also form formaldehyde indoors.
And a very simple swap would be to use essential oil-based cleaners.
Now, another bonus right here is you want to open your windows 10 minutes a day to always vent out scrap VOCs in the house, or vinegar and baking soda cleaner. So a lot of people ask, what can I use for general daily detox?
For natural cellular protection, pair these simple swaps with antioxidant herbs. Herbs such as butterfly pea flower, which is very rich in anthocyanins and also very rich in flavonoids, and also herbs like soursop. Both of these herbs are very high and rich in flavonoids. And the link for these herbs can be found in the description below. You can also download my seasonal ebooks that go by editions. Summer, fall, and winter editions are already out, and they basically help to show which herbs detox the organs by the season. Link is also in the description below.
So basically the thing is this, you want to lower your daily chemical exposure. You want to give your detox organs a break. So cancer prevention isn't about this one big detox or one big cleanse once a year. It's like it's 1,000 tiny choices every single day. It's 1,000 tiny choices in your kitchen. Remember, your health isn't built in hospitals. It's built in kitchen. One cookware swap, one oil change, one herbal cup at a time. Check the link below for today's products and the ebooks and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next video. Bye for now.